First of all, we should be thankful to the Almighty before giving our thanks to anybody for any success we achieve in our lives, because it is only by the blessings of Almighty that we create or perform something. Next, I would like to tell you people why I chose Fountain. I chose Fountain because in Fountain I found a collection of very good faculty who are expert in their subjects. Like we have got Shashi Jha sir, who is a brilliant physics teacher. We have got Pandey sir, who is a very good botany teacher. We have got our zoology teacher, who is actually a medicine graduate. So the faculty here is very good, and besides that, the student-teacher ratio is very optimized. There are very few students in the class. There is no rush like other coaching institutes, so the teacher can personally interact with every student. And I would like to thank every staff person, not just our teachers. I would like to thank Mahfouz sir. I would like to thank our teachers who guided me whenever I needed their guidance. Our mentor Heather sir also. Everybody here was very helpful, and you will find a homely atmosphere here. And second is, which I would like to convey, is having thorough concepts. Any coaching, no matter wherever you are taking coaching in any coaching institute, the thing which matters most is that how thorough, how strong are your concepts. Concept building is a very important thing. One should pay more and more time in building their concepts. We are actually not good with our concepts, and we try to solve numericals, we try to solve objectives. This is the wrong approach, I think. We should try to understand every subject in its essence. Every subject has a soul, every book has a soul. We should try to interact with that book, we should try to interact with the soul of that subject, with the soul of that book, and it needs peace of mind, complete determination. And NCERT books I would suggest to every student. NCERT books are extremely good books, and reading NCERT books is not just sufficient. We should read between the lines. NCERT book conveys what other book conveys in paragraphs. NCERT book conveys those things in few lines. So it is very important to read NCERT books with utmost concentration, and we should solve the previous year questions as we pass with the chapters. And other important point which I want to make here is my stay at IPEC hostel, which was very helpful for me, because IPEC hostel is just in front of the coaching institute premises, and it saves a lot of time in transportation. As you people are aware that in Delhi it takes a lot of time in transportation from going here to there. So it's a home away from home. The atmosphere there is very congenial. You can go there on your own and check out it. And one more advantage of staying in hostel is that you have opportunity to interact with the students of the same type who are preparing for the same exam, and group study helps a lot. So this is one of the advantage which you cannot achieve at home. So group discussions, they help a lot when all your members, all the members of group are serious about their studies. And above all, I can recollect one of the Nobel laureate which belongs to India, Venkatraman Ramakrishnan, said that day-to-day positive feedback is very important in one's success. If you don't get a positive feedback every day from the place where you work, you cannot be successful. And Fountain gave us day-to-day positive feedback. Everybody was here was very encouraging. They encouraged us. They used to call us whenever we needed them. And the teachers are just like friends. You can anytime go to the staff room, check out with your problems, discuss your problems with them. And thanks to the management who has created such a pleasant atmosphere inside the premises. Last but not least, I would like to thank my parents, who gave me opportunity, who gave me everything which I needed to be here, and who blessed me with their love and blessings. Without their blessings, I could have never made anything in life. Thank you.